A little bit of a change up today. We have a Squirt V2 drone board, and let me show you what's going on. The job today will be to replace this connector that got ripped off, and we also have to transfer these transmitter wires over to the compatible board. While I'm setting up my equipment, let me throw up my expected temperatures for this job. This will be a hand soldering job. I will not be using hot air. These temperatures are brought to you by the Amazon associate links in the description. If you head to my video description and click on one of these links and buy any of this equipment, or if you buy anything during that session, a small portion of that purchase will go to supporting the channel. And I greatly appreciate you. It won't cost you an extra dime. Alright, so we do have one ripped pad, but I'm not terribly concerned about it. And with a ball of solder on our tip, we're going to tin up these pads with some leaded. Let's switch to our Pico pencil. Okay, now we need to transfer these wires. What I might do is just transfer them in sequence. My goal here is to desolder them one at a time and put them exactly as they're supposed to be. And I'm going to need flux. I don't want a lot of it, but I'm going to need a little bit. This eliminates the guesswork. I also took a picture of it just to make sure, but this way we don't even have to worry about it. Save your brain for work that matters. We're struggling with the Pico pencil on the black, so we're going to have to use the micro pencil. Desolder that one. I hope this video is being helpful to you in your repair journey. Just a reminder, if this is something beyond what you want to try yourself, I do offer these services. Just head over to micromage.repair, click free quote, fill out the form, and I'll get back to you personally. More than acceptable on the wire. The wire and connector are solidly in place, as solidly as we can do. There's not much I can do with this ground. I'm uncertain as to what hot glue would do as far as adding strength to this connector, and I'm a little concerned with applying any heat around a tactile switch. I don't know what type of temperature this thing can handle. So we're just going to play it safe and call it there. If you like this video, do me a favor and check this one out, and I'll see you there.